If you don't know how to problem solve or you don't know how to work on that machine, you can't get your gold. Like, you could be the smartest book person, but you got to know how to work with your hands. You can't work with your hands, you can't work in a machine plant, you can't do it.
This is Brookfield Local Schools. We are in our library makerspace, more specific, the Industry 4.0 lab. We talk about the 3 E's. We talk about employment, enlistment, or enrollment. So we're providing every opportunity for our seniors when they walk across that stage that they're more marketable than the surrounding communities. The SACA credentials are the key. They're industry recognized credentials. It's the same training that local manufacturers would provide prospective employees. So when they've come in for visits and saw the list of credentials that our students were working on, right away they tell us, listen, if these kids get these 3 or 4, we'll hire them right now at $65,000.
You're learning how to program, you're learning how to problem solve, and if an error pops up in error code, you're learning how to solve that error code. You're digging down into the machines, and this class is really helping you get a boost. When you go into this field, most of the places are going to send you to get credentials like what we have. So when you have them, you're already a step higher than a lot of people. And knowing that I could go like right out of high school and knowing I could make $35 an hour, like just hand it to me. In the beginning, it's pretty nice to know compared to these other people. And I'm actually working to get my specialist on many different areas.
Manufacturing is the second most popular occupation in our township. So knowing that, and for students to know that, they kind of have a general understanding of this is the companies that are around us, this is where I'm going to find opportunity. I also live in this community, so for our kids here to be getting better opportunities than students elsewhere, that means a lot to me, and it means a lot to the kids too. You know, it's great for them to feel like, oh, we're on top in something.
I kind of want to be like a robotic engineer. So what I'm thinking is like I want to make the robots or help like apply the robots to like real life. So I'm certified in silver and gold for basic operations, and then I have my silver in robotic system operations. I was just talking to a guy the other day, and he said like I have more experience with stuff than like most people they hire do. So I could literally go straight into a job in this stuff.
So, you know, the first semester, students had no idea what this class was. I asked them at the beginning of the semester, what do you want to do after high school? And actually none of them were interested in anything like this. By the end of the semester, a lot of them were interested. This class is really helpful because it kind of breaks things into, okay, here's a little bit of pneumatics, here's a little bit of electrical. Then they get to apply it on our skill boss here. So they take that kind of, you know, the more specific things, and they can apply it to different machines like in industry, and the companies love to see that. I think they've learned over the course of the semester and everything, you know, how this can actually be useful to them after high school and put them on a path right to a job rather than, you know, just something general to get them into college.